welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to create a content calendar on Google Sheet. So first thing you have to do is just go open your Google Sheet, and after that just create a new document by click this plus button and go click this new spreadsheet. And this new spreadsheet, add the title, which is content calendar, and after that just go click create. And now you need to filling these rows. You need to decide which rows you want to start. The title, which is the days, you need to input all the days. Okay, I would like to start from B4, so you can start the days from Sunday, Monday, and I would like to make it fast. And here I already type all of the days, and I would like to make it in the center right there. And now we need to check the calendar where to the November. Okay, I would like to make this content plan for November. Let's check when do this November start in a calendar. It starts on Wednesday and it contains 30 days. Okay, let's do in a Wednesday. It will be gonna start in 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and I already have it here. Make sure that you give us a space, giving this part a space, 1 rows here, so that you can add the informations like right below of the number. And you need to start again on the row 7. So means that in the row 7 you need to continue from 5, 6, 2, so on and so on. I would like to make it fast. And here's the look. So I already have it, the part of this. So I would like to give a border on the days cells. Just need to block the day cells, and after that you just need to go click this border and go click this part to give them a border. And after that you just need to block from the 1 and the second rows, and after that go click a border, but you need to add the outer border only right there. And you need to do the same from the next, which is this part and this part, at the border but at the outline only. Okay, I would like to make it fast. I got the horizontal border, and after that I would like to do it vertical. So let's block this and add the border but then the outline only. And let's just do the same, and I would like to make it fast. And I also already get all of this vertically. Now we need to adjust in the rows. Okay, you just need to go click this X rows, and after that just wait a minute, like that. And after that we need to make it like wider by drag it in the downside like that. Make sure that you drag the rows that there is no numbers on it. Now we already have all of this part. And now the next thing, whenever you want to add the content scheduled or content calendar, you just need to fill it in the second rows, like right below the number. So you need to add the information here. For example, if you want to add the content that you want to upload on Wednesday 1st November, just need to go click these rows and go click this plus button, and you just need to go click image, and just click image in the cells and go click the sources of the image that you want to add to, and there you go. And you can just add more information inside of the cells. So that's the way how to create a content calendar on a Google Sheet. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.